Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Barclays credit card online access in USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the URL for the Barclays credit card login page. Once the page loads, look for the option that says register or create an account. Click on this registration option to start the authorization process. You will then be prompted to enter your personal information. This typically includes your name, date of birth, and social security number. Next, provide your credit card information, including the card number and expiration date. After entering your card details, review the information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Continue button. You may then be asked to create a username and password. Choose a strong password that meets security requirements. After creating your credentials, complete any additional security questions if prompted. Once you've completed all the required fields, submit your registration. After submission, check your email for a confirmation link. Open your email and locate the message from Barclays. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email. You will now be directed back to the Barclays website. At this point, you can log in using your new username and password. You should now have authorized online access to your Barclays credit card account. Explore the features available to manage your account effectively. Feel free to log in anytime to check your balance or payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.